Every one of us has experienced being torn between desire and uncertainty. Trying to swim in success while feeling like you're drowning in self-doubt is a metaphor for this situation. But here's the most important ingredient. Even when belief wavers, you may still manifest. It might be challenging to believe in something you are not or feel you don't deserve. It is difficult to use the law of attraction or manifest anything without faith. It is simple to achieve vision and visualize. It is simple to see yourself having something you have always desired. But for some people, it can be difficult to think that you deserve all of your goals and aspirations. What do I think? How can someone boost or pursue belief? There are many unanswered challenges. Can we possibly manifest without having faith? You can manifest without even believing. Hence, the answer to this question is yes. So, it's time to smash down those walls like a Hulk and push past all the uncertainties and insecurities. A major realization sign, the beginning of the path from desiring to changing those desires into reality. You don't have to be a believer right away. Yes, what you heard is true. Even from the seed of uncertainty, manifestation might sprout. And I'm here to show you guys how to manifest despite your lack of belief. So, let's get going. Before starting, I have some inquiries for you folks. You all have probably heard about manifestation and have used it to your advantage throughout your lives, without even being aware of the laws of attraction and manifestation. Back then, neither the notion nor the various laws in use were even contemplated. But you guys were still manifesting and visualization, right? You did not have to believe, yet you were manifesting things in life. So, why is it necessary now to believe in everything you want, since the concept of belief is just introduced? So, manifestation can be done without any belief to desire. You may not believe what you want from the universe. You may not believe the things you are trying to manifest may exist in the universe, in reality, but still you can manifest. Whether you believe it or not, whether you may think you might deserve this or not, when you visualize and repeat it again and again, you will be able to manifest. You don't have to believe it. The key is to think about whatever your desire are, whether it's $1 million, a sports car, or your dream bike, or anything ridiculously huge desire that you may think might not be real or not believable. Through continuous repetition and visualization, you can get that. The goal that is to be set is what to manifest, not how to manifest. You do not have to worry about how your desires might come to you, or what should you do to attract your desires and turn them into reality. The ultimate goal is to visualize things you really want and not to worry about how or why. So visualize it. If you do not believe in it, just visualize. Be happy that you have it. Live in the ultimate reality, whether you believe it or not. Be happy that you got that dream job or a promotion. Be thankful for the universe. Feel happy and emit positive high-frequency vibrations to the non-physical world. If you guys want to know what the non-physical world is or how to connect to the universe with the law of vibration, you can watch my previous videos. The link is in the description. According to Neville Goddard, people's unwillingness to take responsibility for using their imagination inappropriately is the main barrier preventing them from accepting the idea that imagination influences reality. Recognizing the difference between one's current situation and their intended outcome, whether it has to do with time, financial success, or any other aspiration, is a crucial prerequisite for successful manifestation. Once this distinction has been made, full focus is given to coming up with a strategy for getting to the desired reality. This requires thinking through the approaches and techniques to close the gap between the present and the desired future. Inundated with queries about what, how, when, and where, many people stumble at this point, which causes their initial error. Our current circumstances often act as barriers between our present and our envisioned future. We become preoccupied with deciphering the methods to traverse the obstacles of timing, approach, and location. We find ourselves pondering over the duration and arrival of our desired outcomes, grappling with a mix of thoughts and emotions. When we are preoccupied with mapping out the route to our goals, we unintentionally get caught in a never-ending cycle. We invest a lot of time, effort, and energy into making our ideas a reality, and our focus becomes completely consumed by the process. We devote ourselves to overcoming the obstacles that stand in the way of our desired future and our current situation, needlessly pausing on these mental bridges. At this stage, fatigue and exhaustion start to set in. We build bridges of belief to foster the conviction that our wants are both real and attainable as a result of our battle to fully believe in our aspirations. We don't have to believe in any of the other things to manifest. We just need to choose who we want to become and just act like them. We assume to be someone who we desire to be. Let's say you want $1 million. You want to manifest that money. But if we start to think about when and how to make millions of dollars, we get stuck on the bridge. So what do? We assume that we already are a millionaire. Use the law of assumption. Assume that you already have that amount of money with you. And trust me, you will get there. Manifest through the law of assumption. Assume that you have money. You are never short on money. Imagine and visualize your friends and family praising you because you have money with you all the time. You only have two options. Either try to be a realist and go with the flow, or use manifestation and law of assumption for your own best. Visualize things. Be optimistic. Don't worry and get stuck on the bridge. That is not where you are meant to end. Choose your future self than getting stuck on the present or the bridge. Let go of the conditions that you have created in your mind. Remember that you do not have to justify the person you are becoming or desire to become in the future. Expand your consciousness. The real goal is that if the desires you have, the goals you have set for yourself, to become that future you, the goals and your desires should excite you. They should make you go crazy and make you happy. The desires may not feel believable and might create some doubts, so that we do not put out the unachievable desire to the universe. But if that desire, if that life you wish to live excites you, makes you happy from your very core, you do not have to have second thoughts and start visualizing that life, the life you desire, the prometon you have always wanted. Nothing is impossible, and let me tell you one thing. Everything in this universe has come to life because of the imagination, because of the visualization power of the human mind. Do you, any human, have ever thought that mankind would evolve and make this much progress if the things that humans had done? If we go like thousands of years back, no one will believe a thing. But here we are, and since then many unbelievable things have already happened. That's all because of the power of visualization and imagination. So, let your creativity out and paint the life you have always wanted. Visualize that the things you wanted are already there. The future life you desire is already a reality. You do not have to believe in everything that exists in the world. Sometimes you just have to have faith in the universe and the attitude that anything I think of happened to me. Anything I desire or wish for comes to me. All that you wish for, everything you long for, effortlessly finds its way to you.